So I finally got this 3/8, the 3/8 ratchet. The box, I love the box. I like the color. Looks pretty well made. This is it. Obviously the manuals and the sockets. That's what I like about them. You know, you can, and the sockets look pretty well made. They don't look too cheap. I already put the battery on this one. It does come with 2 batteries and a charger, obviously. And this is it. It doesn't feel too heavy. Feels pretty good, well made, and it's sensitive on the trigger. You can go slow, and then you can even go fast, and then so fast. It's even obviously reversible. So pretty happy with this. And obviously, and also it has I assume that those lights are the battery life. And to kill 2 birds with 1 stone, I also went along and bought the 1/4-inch impact. Same brand, KIMO. Same thing. I'm really happy with the box, the built. It's got some slots so you can put your other bits in there. This one only does come with 1 battery, which it's fine. It's okay. And let me put the battery on. It's a 20-volt lithium. It's reversible. It's got, press this button, it's got obviously the battery life, and also it's got the speed. Hold on. Whoops. Whoop. There you go. And you can select the speeds. That's pretty much it. It's a short and sweet review. Again, for the price of both of these, you can't beat it. I'm looking at also getting the leaf blower. Well, I don't know if it's a leaf blower, but it's a blower. Like I said, again, I'm pretty happy with the outcome of these 2 products.